So, hey guys, it is now like November something. I don't even know what today is, but it's almost Thanksgiving and I'm a terrible vlogger, and yeah, I have a bunch of clips from Halloween I'm gonna insert in now because I'm such a bad vlogger and forgot to post it. So I'm just gonna incorporate it into this vlog, so enjoy. Lighting's really good right now. I have my pumpkin spice latte ice with almond milk. It's good, it's a good vibe. And here's Bo in the sun.
Bathing.
He's sunbathing. The weather is fantastic. I tell myself every year I'm gonna get my costume together. It's gonna be good by October 1st and not be last minute. But every year it's always last minute, and it's really ticking me off because I need to get my crap together because Halloween is a very important holiday to me, and I can't be doing this type of stuff to myself again. I can't. I really can't. And now we're gonna go home and make dinner and watch Hocus Pocus.
How coffee's supposed to be drank black.
Hey, don't hate on the pumpkin spice latte.
Black whole brew extras. Long and bitter like my personality.
Okay, rolling up your window. Bye bye. Hey, all about the details. As we carved the most basic pumpkin. It's okay. I'm so excited about our little pumpkin. Okay, so I just got done carving the pumpkin while Bo sat down and watched YouTube. So
I carved the whole pumpkin.
I carved a lot of it.
You
Don't let him fool you. Okay, so we're at Minchie's, and all we really wanted was cake batter with strawberries. They don't have strawberries. It's really sad. It's very sad. That's our lives, but yeah, we're going to see Halloween Town, and I'm really, really excited about that. So yeah, we will keep you posted, and we're gonna go eat our Minchie's. Okay, so we went to Target. That's our update, and now we're listening to Snoop Dogg. I don't know why. I already regret not getting the Starbucks that I thought I was gonna get, but I didn't get it, and I really regret everything in a hate life.
I told her to get it, so
I should have got it. I really should have listened. But yeah, now we're going to the outdoor movie, so we will see you over there. Okay. Okay, so we're watching the movie. It got like 20 degrees colder. It started raining. And so we got an umbrella. Oh, in the wind. It's freezing. And we got a jacket. So, yeah, but we have the best look. Yeah. No strawberries, rain. We end up not getting on the first hayride. Yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time. Okay, one more update. The screen went out. And it's starting to rain hard. We're still dedicated. We're still watching. Dedicated fans. Okay, I'm just dedicated, but I'm holding the umbrella so it doesn't fly away again. Oh gosh. It's a good time. It's a great day. My date. This is Erin. Hey guys.
Hello everybody in Brooke's vlog. Good day. Happy Halloweeny.
You're like an egg.
I know.
Okay, so I got the chestnut praline with almond milk. And what'd you get?
frozen hot chocolate.
Okay, see how it is. Tell me if it's good. It is?
It's really good.
And I also got Bo a blonde rose and a honey pistachio croissant. These things are the best things in the whole entire world. Try it if you haven't. And now we're at La Madeleine eating soup. Dropping butter in the soup.
Yeah. This is not working.
But yeah, it's really good. And it's a little chilly, but yeah, it's good. Okay, got gelato with the cute little macaroon on top. I love it. I'm gonna do a little Lush haul for you guys. They had so much of their holiday stuff out, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so this is like my all-time favorite bath bomb in the world. It's just a little present box, and it's so cute, and it smells so good. So, I had to get this one. So then I got this new one. It's called, I think it was called Goddess, but it is just so pretty and glittery, and I'm excited about this one. And I don't remember what this one was called, but it was just really pretty. I don't know. And then the last one I got was called The Big Sleep, and I got this one because it had a moon on it, and I'm obsessed with the moon. So I can't wait to try this one out as well. It's also really cute. So I'm doing some online shopping right now, and I can't decide on what to get. There's like 2 coats that I really want, but do I really need both of them? Probably not. The shopping addiction cannot be stopped. And I'm really excited about tonight because I have elf cookies, and we're gonna watch Elf and bake the elf cookies, so it's very exciting for me. And I'm gonna try to like put together a fashion lookbook for winter in the next few weeks, so that should be coming out very soon. And I just saw that Kelsey Simone uploaded a new YouTube video, so I'm gonna take a break from editing and watch her new video and eat lunch. So yeah. I'm changing out my little thing to like one of the holiday scents, like it was like pumpkin, which I'm a little sad that it's not pumpkin anymore. I love this one for Christmas. It smells so good. Why can I never figure this thing out? No matter how many times I have put these things in here, I can never figure out how to get it back on. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so Christmassy. I'm really debating if I should go to Starbucks right now. It is absolutely freezing, and I look absolutely deadly. It is so cold, guys. Like, the temperatures dropped so much from this morning. It's crazy. Like, my skin is definitely gonna need a face mask after this, just from being outside. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go inside and do my Fresh Rose face mask. That one's like super hydrating. Like, if you haven't tried it, I really recommend it. It's definitely one of my favorites ever. Such a beautiful day today. I'm having a really good day. Not that I'm doing much of anything. Like, you ever have those days where like you don't have to be anywhere, so you can just like chill at home, not have to do your makeup, not have to do your hair, just kind of like relax, like one of those days. But I'm getting like a lot of stuff that I need to get done. That makes sense. So really so cold. So I'm literally going to run as fast as I can back inside so I don't turn into an icicle. And I definitely think a fire is much needed tonight. It is so needed. But yeah, but it is such a beautiful day. I'll show you guys how pretty it looks outside if I don't freeze up by then. So this is the Rose face mask I was telling you guys about. I wish you guys could like smell this through the camera, because if you're like me and you love the smell of roses, like, you need this. You definitely need it. So I've got my face mask on. I'm gonna let this sit maybe about like 15-20 minutes while I go and do a few things. But yeah, like I said, I really recommend this face mask. Super hydrating, smells great. Get it. Trust me, you will not regret it. It literally works wonders. It's like one of my favorite candles. It's from last year, but it's almost out. But it smells like you stepped foot into a Christmas tree farm, and it's great. Really great. I'll show you guys my new ornament that me and Bo got for my little mini Christmas tree in my room, because we are obsessed with coffee, and this one's just so cute. So we got this one this year. So not only did we do elf cookies and chocolate chip cookies, but we have vanilla ice cream and peppermint gelato for yourself.
I say I'm looking for Christmas gifts for you. Don't look at my phone.
Let me just glance the camera down a little bit. You could show the viewers.
You're gonna edit this, dude.
Fire's so pretty. So I forgot to end the vlog last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.